Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we dey cook another authentic delta rice, banga rice. This food really dey sweet. I go show now how they cook my own. So you need banga na be the most important thing. So if you dey where you not get banga, use palm sauce. Then I dey use 3 cups of rice, some shrimp, some crayfish, Cameroon pepper, 2 habanero pepper, seasoning cubes, salt, and half an onion. So I dey use fish. I dey use mackerel fish. Some people dey call am Untitled. But when I dey Nigeria, I dey use the other ice fish. That one, the thing dey melt. So I go fry one, I go use one take do am. So now they cut am now. The one be say I wan fry, now they cut. So as I dey cut the fish, I wan take time to appreciate everybody wey don subscribe and I want to welcome the people wey dey watch my video for the first time. Welcome. So this other one now I go take put inside the rice. I go show now how they do am. So I dey comot the head and the tail. I go just fry those ones join. So if una like wetin una dey see, so make una not forget to click the like button and invite your friends. So the fish I go just wash am quickly. So I don wash am, I dey wan dry am, comot all the water. I no wan make it sit down inside water, so I go comot all the water, dry am well. Then I go come put salt. I go sprinkle salt put. Then I go put Cameroon pepper. I like this pepper. E get one kind of nice flavor, like say they put maggi inside sef. Then I go put onion powder. I go come use am marinate and mix am together. Leave am make it sit down till I ready to fry am, maybe like 20 to 30 minutes. In case you no dey marinate your fish before you fry am, make you start to dey do am now. E dey sweet die. So I go just cover and keep am aside. That make me start with the fish so that the thing go marinate, the taste go enter the fish. So this fish now, see the way they do am. This style, it just come my mind. One time when I dey for school for Abraka that time, alarm dey chase me. I get I buy fish and I get banga. No say Abraka, but they get banga. I get banga, get rice, get fish. I go say okay, I wan cook food. I just dey think, I don't forget wetin really happen. I just okay, I just use the fish cook this. I no wan fry the fish. Now I thought, so you know what? I don't already cut the fish. Now I just make I cook the rice and the banga, the fish. Now I just do this thing. Comot all the bones, comot the skin of the fish, put am inside the thing, melt. When my roommates come and my friends come, when they taste the thing, they say, wetin dey inside this food? They don't believe that. They say, wetin dey inside? I say na fish. They say the fish. The thing just like say it melts. That like this I do am, but I just comot the skin. Comot the skin like that. The thing go melt. But this one not dey melt like that. Now that's other ice fish now they melt compared to this one. So I'm not gonna throw away the skin. I go still use the skin, but see, if una try this thing, make una come back and tell me thank you. If una not come back, I not go happy you. So the skin I not go throw away am. I go just comot all the bones as much as possible. What I fit comot, I go add the skin back. Then I will come cut the skin small. Nothing dey waste for here. I not go throw away the skin. All of them are crayfish. As I don prep the fish finish, I go put water for fire to take do the rice and to take do the banga sauce. This banga sauce dey get sand for the bottom. So I dey do am like this. I go boil am small so that the sand go sit down for the bottom, so that the sand no go full inside food wey be say I wan eat. So I go let I go cook small. The sand I go let am sit down small before I use am. Na so I dey do am every time. So I dey prep the crayfish now. I dey dust am. I just want, I for like to select am, but this na easy way to do it. Make you sit down, dey select am. Put am for the bag where you buy the crayfish. Use am whip wall or whip somewhere small. Not go tear the bag. Whip the thing, then the thing go break. so the thing no dey chook now. E don select. E just you say na this thing machine I select am. So na so I dey do am o. I go just put am like that, crayfish inside the rice. So the remaining part of the other side wey not smooth, I for grind am, but to just save this, I put am back for the bag. Said I go knack am small, the thing go come smooth like say they grind am with something. All of them they join, they go come they make the thing sweet. So the pepper now, just dey slice the pepper and the onions. As the rice I never even start to do the rice sef. Now the banga na just dey fires first. The water, they wait make the water boil. So now they put the rice. Some of them will pour comot. I go let the rice cook for 5 minutes before I wash am. After 5 minutes, I don already wash am. Now to start to add everything. So I dey add the pepper. I go come put some onions, like half of it. Then the crayfish, or the head part, na be this. So the other part of the crayfish, I always say be the whole body like that. I don soak am for water. Now I dey add so. So I come put the big crayfish, na be the shrimp. I soak am too since, so I dey add all of them put. Hey, this food there, you think say na egbele kokomi I put. Hey God o. So I dey put the maggi now. The two maggi now they put so. So I wan pour the banga oil. So na so I go do. I go just pour the thing, mix am. So if you never subscribe and you don't watch my video before, or this na the first time wey you dey watch my video, abeg don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share am, invite your friends. Don't forget to click that notification bell to get alert whenever I post video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you, especially to those wey don't subscribe before. Thank you. God bless you. So I just dey put more water. If water too plenty sef, no fear. But I know say banga rice dey pete, they dey creamy like that. E no be like, don't be say e just dey shower like that. So I go test am for salt first too, before I put the fish. So I just add more salt. So I dey add Cameroon pepper too. Oh God, I too love this pepper. E just be like say they put maggi inside. They get one very nice flavor. So now the time for the fish now. See the fish wey be say I prepare that time. Now they put all of them inside. Oh God, if you eat this thing, make una come back and tell me thank you when I don cook this thing finish. So that remaining onions why I leave that time, I go come put am for the top like that. Then I go cover and make it cook. So now the fish time. The fish wey I don dey marinate since for 20-30 minutes. So I not sure for this place. The eye of the fish, when you know make the eye burst for your body, or you go call burn you. Make you use something shook the eye, or burst the eye of the fish. If not, anything go sight. You know as fish they be. So I go just fry the fish. Now I go take put am for the top. May not be like say, okay, where the fish? Though fish dey inside this rice, but at least make we still put for the top. So now rice done. Rice done. So I go just turn am now as they do am. You mix the way they do jollof rice and the banga rice. Hey my God, oh my people. Boku na come see banga rice. So hey area. Mona come see banga rice. So this banga rice get PhD. Hey, make una try am. Una go like am. So thank you for watching. Make una not forget to subscribe, like this video, share, call people, make them come watch. no forget to click the notification bell so that you go dey get alert anytime wey I upload video. So thank you so much. All those wey don subscribe, I love you. Thank you for supporting me. God bless you all. Till I see you next time. Bye.